Okay, another interesting question we can ask. What's the depth when the velocity is, let's say, -1? What are we going to do with this? Well, we have velocity equals -1, so velocity is this, so we can solve this. So we set 0.02t minus 3 equal -1, then we solve for t. Well, we add 3 to both sides, we get 0.02t equals 2, so that t equals 100. And there's something about that that I really don't particularly like. No, I like that, okay, never mind. Okay, so, now that tells us the time, that doesn't tell us the depth. Now notice, we didn't get all hung up on, well, how am I going to find the depth when I know V? What I do is I take V equals -1 and say, well, okay, V is this, so I can solve this for t. I don't know what good that might do me, but I'm going to solve it for t, because that's the only thing I can do. I do what I can. Then I get down here and say, okay, well, t is 100, but I still haven't found the depth. What am I going to do about that? Oh, yeah. Okay, if I've got t, I can plug it in here and I can find the depth. Well, there we go. So, y is going to be 0.01 times 100 squared minus 3 times 100 plus 400. Now, I didn't try to make this happen. Just in this example, all kinds of unexpected things are happening. My square root came out positive when I tried to find when y was 200. And now I'm going to get y equals 200 right here in front of your very eyes. Okay? So, this is 200. Now I just checked that out, and it is 200. This is going to be 100 minus 300 plus 400. That's going to give me 200. But I knew it had to be 200 because we found previously that the depth was 200, and we solved to find the time when that occurred, and that was 100. So bizarrely, this gave me this, and I already knew what the depth was because I'd already solved y equals 200. Okay. In any case, that's what we get. We could also answer a question like, okay, what's the velocity when y equals 250? How fast is water going down when the depth is 250? Well, to get that, we would solve 0.01t squared minus 3t plus 400 equals 250. And then we'd get a t, and we'd plug that into v equals 0.02t minus 3. In other words, we would solve for t. Given the y, we can solve for t, and then given t, we can plug it in here and find the velocity.